I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this video for CBSE and NIOS, we will learn the basics of bond dissociation energy and average bond enthalpy, see the important differences, and then solve 3 numerical problems step by step. First, definitions. Bond dissociation energy, D0, is the energy required to break one specific bond in 1 mole of gaseous molecules to separated gas phase atoms. For example, HCl gas going to H gas plus Cl gas. The enthalpy change equals D0. Average bond enthalpy is the mean energy to break a chosen type of bond, like C-H, averaged over many gaseous molecules. It is less precise but widely tabulated. To estimate reaction enthalpy from bonds, we use the key relation. Delta H of reaction is approximately the sum of bond energies of bonds broken minus the sum of bond energies of bonds formed. Numerical 1. Calculate delta H4. CH4 gas plus Cl2 gas gives CH3Cl gas plus HCl gas, using average bond enthalpies. We will use C-H414, Cl-Cl243, C-Cl338, and H-Cl431, all in kilojoules per mole. First, visualize the reaction. Bonds broken, 1 C-H and 1 Cl-Cl. Bonds formed, 1 C-Cl and 1 H-Cl. Now compute some broken and some formed and subtract. The answer should be about negative 112 kilojoules per mole exothermic. Numerical 2. Calculate delta H4. H2 gas plus Cl2 gas gives 2HCl gas. Use average bond enthalpies. H-H436, Cl-Cl243, and H-Cl431, all in kilojoules per mole. Bonds broken, 1 H-H and 1 Cl-Cl. Bonds formed, 2 H-Cl. Now compute and subtract formed from broken. The reaction is exothermic by about negative 183 kilojoules per mole. Numerical 3. Calculate delta H4. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas gives 2H2O gas. Use averages. H-H436, O double bond, O498, and O-H463 in kilojoules per mole. Bonds broken, 2 H-H and 1 O double bond O. Bonds formed, 4 O-H bonds in 2 water molecules. Compute sums and subtract formed from broken. We get about negative 482 kilojoules per 2 moles of water, or negative 241 kilojoules per mole of water. Before we wrap up, a quick summary of differences. D0 is molecule-specific and more precise. Average bond enthalpy is an average over many molecules and less precise, but very handy in numericals. Always write the reaction, list bonds broken and formed, plug tabulated values, then compute some broken minus some formed. Great work! You learned D0, average bond enthalpy, and solved 3 CBSE/NIOS numericals. Practice by carefully counting bonds and keeping units as kilojoules per mole. All the best from Brain League Learning.